Hi, my name is Jason Guan and I'm an application engineer at Advantech. Today, I would like to give a brief introduction of DeviceOn and demonstrate its core features. DeviceOn is a solution-ready package developed by Advantech that provides easy and reliable device operations with access management for IoT devices at scale. DeviceOn is compatible with all Advantech hardware systems and works on popular platforms and services like Microsoft Azure, VM on-premises, and Kubernetes. It is in the form of a web portal which can be accessed easily using laptop, tablets, or even smartphone. Now, I'm going to demo the user interface of DeviceOn. Once logged into DeviceOn portal, the user will enter the overview page. It includes modules like real-time actions, event, system, and etc., providing a quick access to real-time statistics for managed devices. Real-time action modules allows one-click actions for specific device groups, providing a shortcut for efficient management. For example, batch reboots, batch screenshots, or batch updates. Action can also be scheduled, which are shown in the event modules for better visualizations. The server loading and device status can also be viewed through system and device status modules. These two modules record server uptime, server loading, and device loading as a collective. In device ranking, DeviceOn leverages 6 common sensor types to identify potential high-risk devices and fix or replace the systems to avoid an unexpected downtime. DeviceOn Overview also supports maps and floor plans to better visualize the location of the managed devices. User can define device locations on the map as detailed as to the floor plan level. After device onboarding, user can view and edit device basic information, remote control or retrieve sensor data on all units. There are a total of 8 sub-items under Device tab. Device list contains all onboarded device status, device informations, upgrade status, and power management, which allow the user to power off, restart, put the device to sleep or hibernated mode. Device monitoring presents device loading in real time, such as network connections, current software processes. Through this, user can reset or queue process if needed. In this module, user can also review hardware information such as CPU temperature, voltage value, disk, and memory usage. If there are abnormal activities, DeviceOn will automatically send an alert to the manager's emails, mobile phone, or line. If you wish to perform diagnostic and debug to the device in real time, DeviceOn provides remote control functions such as screenshots, terminal commands, and remote desktops to reduce operation efforts. In addition, DeviceOn integrated Windows lockdown features to provide advanced control, such as block USB drives, block Windows notifications. Backlight, brightness, and GPIO control are also supported by Advantech hardware platforms with SUSE drivers. Next, DeviceOn Data, providing plugins for user to process and upload raw data in real time periodically, and visualize these data in table or JSON mode to help managers to make the business decisions. In addition to device management, OTA is another powerful feature DeviceOn offers. With OTA, user can deploy software packages, configurations, Windows Quick Fix Engineering, and Advantech BIOS update onto one or more devices remotely. DeviceOn OTA support mainstream cloud storage, such as Amazon S3, S3 compatible, Azure Blobs, and traditional FTP services. In order to ensure the security and data format of the OTA package, DeviceOn offers a package toolkit to wrap software and firmware. On the Upgrade tab, start to select the device and choose the desired OTA package. Then the OTA package will be downloaded to the edge device and waiting for it to be executed. To learn more about DeviceOn, please visit the Advantech Wise Marketplace or contact one of our solution specialists. Thank you for watching.